Alright, nauwi na kami. And I have one video game marathon again. Okay, so what's the problem? Okay, one question. How is the girl's kitchen still alive and immortal? A video game marathon was born. I hate you. You put the girl's kitchen as the most active. Not the most active. The second most active. Second most active, di ka pero na on days. 3. So, most active na talaga. First, I hate you. Then second, you want to die? No. Sama na sa kitchen everyday. So, humana na akong practice. Tapos, buwas na ng klase kaya holiday. Tapos, mag-video kimauto na sa God's Kitchen, diba? Tapos, sa Wednesday, parade early, mga 7. So, at the exact time, ayaw poag-spawn video kimauto early 6 sa God's Kitchen. Kanano, fair of girls, lewat. Okay, so, what else? Yan, kay. If a girl sings, what if I miss you for the rest of your life? I'm gonna die. And in fact, you summoned the girl's kitchen 3 times Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Like, what is this? Longest video game marathon sa girl's kitchen or just everything? The longest video game marathon days are 11. Kung 11, 3 good did it? Oh no, they have 7 days. 7 days of it, no 6 days of video game marathon. That's 2 months ago. It wasn't 2 months ago. No, I mean the first one is 11 hours. I mean 11 days of video game marathon. Second is 7 or 6 days of video game marathon. Then third, 3 days as of now. So already going to put me in my fear list. And now I can hear girls. Well done, JP the Singing Hunter. I will kill you for this one.